I broke down, went to the store, because I figured it's just the right thing to do. And see that? You take your screwdriver right there and see the threads on it. That's going to fit in that hole up there in that light fixture. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in, because when they installed that initially, they never put a cap right there. And usually when you got a light fixture kind of like that, it comes with the extra little screw in little knockouts, you know, covers. But for some reason they must have lost it and they ended up not doing it. So I'm going to get up there and screw her in. Lucky for me, I got a tall enough ladder, and I'm just going to go ahead and put her in. There it is. Fixed. Yahoo! That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.